Hi folks, KB here. Welcome and thank you for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe to the channel, drop a like below and leave a comment and let us know what you think. So today we are supercharging your ramen game. We are taking this and turning it into this. Now this whole dish from start to finish takes about 20 minutes to put together. So if you're someone that's really time poor, then this is for you. A couple ingredients that you'll need, obviously your packet of ramen, any packet will do. You will need 1 shallot or spring onion, whatever you call it, wherever you are in the world. An egg, these are Australian eggs, so these are their natural color. I know some parts in the world they're bleached and they're white, that weirds me out. But anyway, we'll also need some sushi seaweed, or any dry seaweed will do. The hero ingredient, some delicious tendies. Now, these are just supermarket tendies. You can make your own. I will show a video of that later. I will post a video of that later of how to make your own tendies as well to go along with it, in case you want to get super fancy. But all right, let's get into it and start chopping ingredients. So the first thing that you'll want to do is preheat your oven to whatever temperature your tendies need to cook at. Mine take 15 minutes. So I just preheat the oven to about 200 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. I don't know what Fahrenheit is. You'll need to figure that out. When the water starts to boil for your egg, it's time to drop this bad boy in. Now, in my opinion, I reckon the perfect time for a ramen egg is about 7 minutes. So it's nice and gooey in the middle, it's still firmed up a little bit, but it's quite enjoyable. Alright folks, that's it. That's how to supercharge your ramen. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. But until next time, enjoy.